Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time stopping by, hi, you're welcome. So for this tutorial guys, I'm going to be showing you 3 to 4 different ways you can tie the popular trendy Hausa Fulani scarf. So stick around, let's get started. So you're going to be needing something flat, straight like this. You can easily improvise or you can just get this in the market. So you're also going to be needing your scarf. Yeah, so you're going to place that at the middle of your scarf and just fold it 2 or 3 times depending on how big or small your scarf is, but the scarf I'm using for this tutorial is a small, not so long scarf. So yeah, so I just place that at the middle and I'm placing that at the center of my hair. I'm wearing a turban, so you can use your hair for this. You can either pack your hair or straighten it out, whichever way you like it, but just make sure your hair doesn't get in the way. So this is how I wanted to do mine. So yeah, I just placed that at the middle and I just took these 2 strands and tied it at the back like so. So this is for the first style. So as you can see, the scarf is really small. The scarf I use is not so big. So yeah, I'm just adjusting the front and this is the first style guys. Very easy and classy. Very easy and classy. So yeah, you don't need pins for this style, just tie it and tuck it in. So for the second style, we're going to be doing the same thing. This time around I use the smaller cardboard. Is it cardboard or carton? I don't know. So yeah, so I just placed that at the middle again and I took it to the back. You want to make sure the 2 strands are not equal, like let's say 60 to 40% or ratio, 60 ratio to 40 ratio. So I just took that to the back and I tied it again and I'm tucking it in. This time around, for the first style, you could see like a space between my center of my hair and the scarf. This time around I'm filling up the space and I'm just taking the 2 strands and I'm tying them together like that. Yeah, the 2 strands. After tying once, those 2 short strands at the top, I just tie them together. I just hope this explanation is making sense to somebody. So yeah, so for the second part, I'm just gonna fold that in and I'm adjusting the front. I'm going to tuck the remaining scarf. I'm going to tuck it inside. So yeah, just tucking that in and I'm adjusting. Make sure it's tight and make sure it's central. So that's what we have for the second style. Really chic and classy. Very very fine. I can't talk. Very fine and classy. So yeah, so this for the third style and I'm just doing the same thing I did, but this time around, yeah, I'm just going to let you watch what I'm doing this time around because it's basically the same thing. If not that, this time around I'm going to be folding the 2 strands and bringing them to the front. So I brought the first strand to the front and I tucked it in. You can use a pin, like an office pin, to secure the front so that it doesn't remove. But I'm pretty sure it won't remove because yeah, it's tight. I made sure I tightened it at the back. So it's really, I made sure it's tight at the back. So yeah, this is what we have at the back. Very clean and make sure the front is very neat. Whatever you do, make sure it's neat and tight. Basically, that's it. If you don't take anything from this video, just make sure you don't forget that the front should be neat and tight. Let it be tight. So this for the third. This is the third or the fourth style now. This is the fourth style. So I just twisted the scarf. I folded it into 4. So I just twisted it, and and just placed that right at the middle, and I just took it to the back, tied it and tucked it in to my turban, the lower part of my turban. So I'm just adjusting the front and that's basically it for this video. Nothing really serious, nothing really deep. This is very easy to tie this scarf. So I just showed you 4 different ways. So Make sure you explore other styles, and I'm going to be dropping more videos like this. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Also leave the links to other videos that you may like. Bye.